So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use median lines of analytics pane in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail dataset. And in the report pane, I have already made one bar which represents profit by subcategory. Now let's say we want to find out which all subcategory generates profit greater than their median profit. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, select this visual. And in the visualization area, there is one option known as analytics. So just click on this, go to median line and click on add. So it will create one median line. First of all, I will change the line color so that we can see the line clearly. Let's say white. Now let's say we want to find out the median value as well. So let's say how we can do that. So go down and over here there is one option known as data label. So just on this. Again, I will change the text color as well so that we can see the value clearly. So over here, as you guys can see, this is the median value and this is the median line. And using this, we can easily find out the subcategories like bookcases, copiers, applicants, phones, accessories, art, and storage. Their bars are exceeding the median line, which indicates that they are generating profit greater than their median profit. So in this way, we can use median lines in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.